This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the essentials: the user goal, grid, and a small visual kit. First, sketch one primary user flow on paper or a whiteboard so you have a clear path. Once done, pick a 12-column grid and base font scale to keep spacing consistent. Make sure to assemble 3-5 reference screens and a concise color palette. These guide visual decisions. Start a new artboard and place your core layout. This gets you into actual designs fast. Now you construct the system. Create components and define their states so changes scale. Begin with buttons, inputs, and cards, giving each default, hover, active, and disabled states. This saves time as screens multiply. Then establish typography hierarchy, H1, H2 body caption, with sizes and weights so readable rhythm emerges. Once those are set, add spacing tokens and color variables in your design tool. This lets you tweak the whole interface quickly. Keep testing components inside real content blocks as you work. Finish by preparing a clear handoff. Export assets, document spacing, and list component usage rules so developers can implement the UI accurately. Once done, add interaction notes and simple animation descriptions to communicate motion intent. Make sure to test the primary flows on an actual device and record any mismatch in spacing or legibility. If something breaks, fonts misrender, spacing shift, revisit tokens and component constraints. Adjusting the base scale usually fixes most alignment and rhythm problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.